We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming out your way. My name is Chef Ricardo, and as I said, we always said before, we always present the best recipe ever. Anyway, today I want to just make you a simple recipe, guys. This one going to be a cleanser for your body. Alright, this one, the reason why I said cleanser, you know what I mean, a lot of us eat so many different kind of things, guys, and you know, you have to cleanse your body, look after yourself. And this one gonna be beetroot cleanser. The reason why I said beetroot cleanser, beetroot is good for you, help to clean the system, good for cancer, and good for a lot more things inside of your system. So listen, guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch the video, make it at home, and come back and write a review. 500 likes, 500 comments, we'll be happy for Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. Welcome. Thank you so much. The drinks. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely beetroot, and it's going to be a very special cleanser for your body. First of all, one small beetroot cut up, and I'm using some fresh beetroot. Put it straight inside of my Ninja blender like this. And I'm going to be using half of avocado. So this is half of avocado, so all I'm going to do is just simply scrape it out. Inside of it, ginger, nice thick slices of ginger. I got some strawberry left, and I'm just gonna pop the rest of the strawberry inside of it. Roughly about 4 of them, that's fine. Some fresh coriander, roughly a little bit of spinach, some lemon juice, and I put some honey inside of it. Some water, nice and lovely. So basically what I'm going to do is pour in my drink. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Really nice. So cleanser for your body. This one cleanse your body and also refresh your body, guys. Honestly, this is just amazing drink, and I know you guys will love this one. So please subscribe, leave your comments below, and we got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Chef Ricardo, and as I said, I got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, leave your comments. This one is a beetroot cleanser. This one cleanses your body and also help you fight against a lot of things inside of your system. And as I tell us, a beetroot is good for cancer and a lot more stuff. So guys, just stay tuned into the drinks, and we have a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more stuff coming your way. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I represent Jamaica on the road with the best drinks ever. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again and again. Gonna put some, I got some broccoli left. I'm gonna put some broccoli straight inside of my smoothie blender. some fresh coriander, strawberry, put some strawberry inside of it, piece of ginger, lemon juice, some honey, water, cover, blend it for about 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. Pour it out in my glass. And that looking lovely and nice. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe. As I can see, this is it right here. All of it, my. So this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. As I can see, please tune in, watch, subscribe, like, share, and thank you so much for watching. As you can see, looking lovely and nice and fantastic. So stay tuned as we go with a lot more trouble. All right.